Here's how to redeem an Nvidia game code through the Nvidia app. If you do not have the Nvidia app already, open your browser and search for Nvidia app. Go to the official Nvidia website and click Download. Run the installer and follow the setup prompts. Once installed, open the app and sign in to your Nvidia account. Before redeeming, make sure your graphics driver is up to date. Go to the Drivers tab inside the Nvidia app and install any available update. An outdated driver can prevent the redemption page from loading correctly. Once updated, look at the left sidebar inside the Nvidia app and find the Redeem option. Click it. Carefully type or paste your game code into the provided field. Double-check for extra spaces, incorrect characters, or dashes in the wrong place, since even one character error will cause the code to fail. Click Redeem. Nvidia's servers will verify the code, and if successful, a confirmation message will appear confirming the game has been added to your account library. Follow any on-screen instructions to install or access the game. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.